I am ready to start my work for the nation. Nandiyan ba si Ma'am Gina Lopez? Secretary Lopez? Ganito yan. Pumunta siya sa Davao. Gabi na mga 1 o'clock because on the early days of my I won, but hindi pa ako nag-vote. Marami na napuntahan. Ito, felicitations, congratulations. Si Ma'am pumunta twice. Every time she shows me the degradation of ito na. Tapos, 2 oras naman. Mukhang hindi na matapos, sabi ko, Ma'am. Ma'am, do not be offended. Totoo man. Huwag kang magalit kay it's the truth. So, mag-alas 3 na. You Rudy, this man. Tapos, extemporaneous na. Parang rin congressman. Ito, Ma'am. Kung Ma'am, mag-alas 4, Ma'am. Ano kaya kung ikaw na lang ang di na? Bigla rin siya nagsagot ka, totoo ka? Sige mo. Hindi yung, oo. Siya, I will ask the, I'll consult my family and ask my, nila. Following day, tawag siya kay may 80 bong. Sinabong, okay na tinanggap na. Sabi ng pamilya ko, okay na. Sabi ko, ay, bantay kayo lahat. But, I would not be appointing somebody who's alien to my thinking. I would take in somebody who shares my horizons in life. Especially yung degradation ng tama yan, she's a crusader and she will continue. And dito naman lagay is the DNR is likewise directed to review all permits granted to the mining, logging, and other environmental sensitive activities to ensure compliance with government standards. And if warranted, ito na yung pinakamaganda, amend, suspend, or revoke permits. Go ahead. Order to Gina is ayusin mo, Ma'am. Huwag mo namang ipitin, but they have to reduce the areas of occupation. They cannot have their cake and eat ito. Sila na yung may pera, sila na yung, this must stop. So, siya tanong sa kung sinong may-ari niyan. Simple lang. Mga general, mga mayor, governor, baka congressman. This is not personal. This is something which I feel that I must do because it is the right thing to do. I am ready to start my work for the nation.